There is one setting from YouTube Studio which make me to start getting views from rich countries. I never knew that when I turn that setting on, can make my videos to go far. Everybody has these settings, and if you are using a phone to upload your video, the moment you start uploading your videos, maybe this setting automatically might be turned off. When you start uploading your video, go and turn on that setting, because when you turn this setting on, your videos may go far. Your video will get a lot of views from rich countries. This one setting helps me a lot. I can get views from a lot of countries. If you know that you have YouTube Studio and you don't know where is this settings is, maybe you have it and you don't know that when you start uploading your videos, this setting might be turned off automatically. So, during your process of uploading your video, you need to go and turn this setting on for YouTube to push your videos, or for YouTube to recommend your videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And without wasting our time, let's dive in our screenshot so that I can show you which these amazing settings to make my videos to start blowing out and get a lot of viewers from rich countries. Stay tuned. Chrome, then search .studio.youtube.com. Then then it will bring you to your channel dashboard. After that, you will click create. These settings, it's only when you start uploading your video, this is when you will get these settings. After putting your title, your description, your thumbnail, because I know you need to do everything. Because I know you will do everything about title, about description, about thumbnail. Then your video you will add into one of your playlist, and then you will come here. This video is not made for kids, and then scroll and then click more, and then click more and scroll down. You see here you need to put your tags. I'm only doing this because of some of the people maybe they don't know about this. So, and this is the settings I want to talk about. You see these settings here: allow abandon and publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. What I want to tell you today is that when you upload your video, you are targeting viewers from outside your country. See this one: allow abandon and publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. If you want YouTube to push your video, or if you want YouTube to push your video, at that process of uploading your video, you see these settings, they are all on. You need to turn this publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers off. Why am I saying that? You need to turn this off because when you allow abandon, you want YouTube to push your video to new viewers first. But even if you turn this publish to subscription off, after YouTube start pushing your videos to a new audience, a lot of audience out there, your subscribers, they will get notified, but late. They will not get notification at that time YouTube start pushing your videos to some new views. So just turn this off and allow abandon so that YouTube can push your video to a lot of views. And don't forget to allow video and audio remixing. Please, if you know that this video is very helpful, do what to hit the subscription button, like, share, and leave your comment down there.